to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other uploads from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today we got another human hair slay on a Monday. And yes, you already know, it's another Amazon unit. Yes, you guessed correct. So today I'm reviewing a 5x5 body wave HD transparent lace closure wig. I have her in 22 inches with 150% density. She does claim to come pre-plucked with baby hairs. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and dive right into the unboxing and styling of this unit. All right, y'all, so this is how the hair came packaged, and they did include this wig cap with the hair. It is, again, a 5x5 body wave lace closure wig in 22 inches, and this is the hair straight out of the package. It did claim to come pre-plucked, and it somewhat did, as this is a pretty decent hairline. It does have a standard cap construction with 2 combs on the sides, one in the middle and one in the back with adjustable straps. I did pre-pluck the hair off camera, and this is what it looks like after it's been washed. For the highlighting portion, I'll be using this bleach powder along with 40 volume developer, as well as a mixing bowl, this mini spatula, and the application brush. I'll also be using some foil strips. So now I'm just sectioning out the hair that I plan to highlight in the front of the wig. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song. So these are the 3 small areas I plan to highlight in the front. And now I'm just going to go ahead and mix my bleaching powder with the 40 volume developer. And I am looking for a very loose consistency to help glide on the hair a lot better. So I let the bleach sit on the hair for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I checked it and noticed it got a little lighter. I didn't want it to be platinum blonde or anything. I just wanted a nice little highlight of this color here, which is what I got, and so I'm quite pleased with this. So I washed the bleach out and I let the hair sit in some purple shampoo for a little while, and this is a result of it air drying. So now I'm just going to add a few layers in because that's just a habit of mine. I feel like it makes curls flow a whole lot better if you just add some layers all throughout the hair. Now I'm just sectioning the hair to begin adding some big barrel curls. And I always add a heat protectant to any of my wigs anytime that I'm adding heat. Let you down, I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that Now I started off adding flexi rods to the curl, only in the back though, so I didn't keep up with this process throughout the entire wig. I knew I wasn't going to get to the wig immediately, so I just was trying to figure out a way to let the curls remain a little long lasting. Maybe this is where our story starts. So after I finished curling the entire wig, I went ahead and pin curled the curls in place, which I did off camera, unfortunately, but that was my way of keeping the hair nice and curled. So now I'm going to add my True Match Lace Conceal Tint Spray to tint the lace. It took me about 2 days to actually install this wig after I curled it, so that's why I did the pin curls, which helped a lot. So now I'm just going to add a few little swoops, which I always do with my closure units, right at that little breakage point or where the closure stops, to try to camouflage that harsh stop. So now that I've got everything molded in place, let's go ahead and cut off this lace. Bars.
chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always stay forever.
All right, so now I'm going to go in with my Go Glueless Lace Foaming Gel, which I absolutely rant and rave about this product because I love it so much. I usually like to use it to swoop my swoops, but I also just tap a little bit of the product around the hairline, around the lace, because it actually works as a nice adhesive. So, you know, just tapping across that lace in the front is going to give me a very nice secured lace. So now I'm going to go ahead and tie this down with my satin scarf before I move on to getting this face of mine together. All right, y'all, so you have seen the entire installation process, which, you know, I did a little extra work, so maybe I didn't make it beginner friendly. I apologize for that. Now, let's get into my thoughts. Before I do that, let me at least inform you of the things that I've done to this unit. So it did claim to come pre-plucked, and it was decently pre-plucked. I mean, you could get away with it right out of the package, but you know, I couldn't let it live like that. And I also decided to, I think the last human hair wig, I decided to add highlights all throughout the hair. This time, I just wanted to do a few little face framing highlights. So that's what we got going on here. And I am quite pleased with this outcome, y'all. I think this is super cute. I feel like I like this a lot better, and I might do this more often than trying to highlight the whole wig. I really like the face framing. That's giving it to me. So to get into my actual thoughts of the wig, it's a very beautiful wig, y'all. I mean, I love the body wave style. It's one of my faves. I say that about so many, I think, like so many different styles are my faves. I just like them. I like them all. So I decided to pretty much keep that or keep this unit in a body wave style. So another thing I love about this unit, it's a closure, number one, which I always rant and rave about how much I love closure units because they're a whole lot easier than having to melt a whole frontal lace from ear to ear. You just got to worry about this little middle section. But what's different about this one, normally, typically, you get a 4x4 closure, meaning 4 inches this way, 4 inches back. But this one is a 5x5, so it gave me an extra little inch both ways, which I love and appreciate. Like, I love that extra inch. I was even able to kind of shift the unit a little more to the side because, you know, I kind of like a deeper part. And that worked perfectly. I love the 5x5. Like, I'm gonna start going for above 4x4. 4x4 is not enough. Like, I need 5x5, 6x6, 7x7. Like, I need all this room. So I love and appreciate that. I didn't have any issues with this hair as far as like shedding or tangling. Like, this is some nice quality hair right here. The luster is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Like, it's beautiful hair, y'all. Beautiful. I don't think I mentioned that I also bleached the knots on this unit off camera. And if, you know, you want to see a specific video on how to bleach knots, I will link it up here above, as well as how, you know, to pluck the hairline. I'll link both of those videos up here above, as well as in the description box below. That's why I kind of stopped showing them or showing the process in my video, because I've done like specific videos for that. So check it out, y'all. Just check it out. So yes, I did go in with my Go Glueless. This is this little foam gel that I rant and rave about all the time because I love this stuff. And it actually adheres. Like, that's what I like about this thing. It is down, y'all. Ain't nothing lifting, ain't no lace lifting. It is on here. So that's why I really, really love this product. Like, I didn't use any spray whatsoever. And oftentimes when I use this, I'm not even looking to adhere it. I'm really just trying to get my swoops. But sometimes I'll go ahead and just apply it across the lace just to make sure we're not sliding and moving around. So, you know, it just serves multiple purposes that I love. So let's get into the price. Of course, you can find this unit on Amazon for a whopping $123, y'all. Somewhere in there. The price may vary depending on when you see this video, but I believe it's like $123.23. And I think I used a coupon code to get it at that price. I think the original price was like $140 something. So, I mean, I feel like that's super affordable for 22 inches of human hair. Body wave, 150% density, already pre-plucked. You can wear it glueless. Like, it just has a lot of pros that makes it worth that. That's a steal. Because human hair wigs are not that cheap. 120 something, under 130 for this beautifulness right here. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Well worth it. Alright, so that's really all I have for you wonderful people today. Like, I gave you all my juice, all my deets on this beauty right here. Of course, I want to know what you guys think, so let me know what you're thinking about her down in the comments below. Let's chat about this joint. So, if you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little flower right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I love and appreciate you for that. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.
Take me to your heart, take me to your soul, never drawn apart, 'cause I belong